Hello again, welcome to another edition of This Old Boat. Today we're going to try some painting for the first time. So I've never done this before, it's the first time, so here we go. Step number one is just to soap and scrub everything. Start getting everything clean. I just wanted to capture some of the difference between those power washed. So, if you're gonna have an old boat, definitely gotta have an electric power washer. Okay, moment of truth. Put this Brightside on the top here. See how it goes. So far so good. Looks like it's going to take every bit of a quart to get one coat, but you can definitely see the difference. Digging it. Alright, first coat is done. Took about a pint and a half the first coat. So hopefully I'll have enough this pint here to get a second coat. I'm pretty happy with it. Just hope the storm doesn't hit us. It's a 30% chance at 6. Looks a little early, but hopefully it'll be fine. Super easy to do. Didn't really sand much, just pressure washed. And used a regular old roller. And certainly orders of magnitude than it was before.